To remove objects from photos on the Nothing Phone 4a Pro, you can do this by opening the gallery. Now go for this photo that you want to adjust and click on this icon. Next, wait for the loading screen, click over here and select cleanup. And by the way, if you are gonna open this for the first time, you have to wait a few moments for the downloading process. Now you can circle or brush to remove a specific thing. So I would like to actually get rid of this part. So I have to just brush around it and I have to wait for this automatic detection like so, and I have to wait for that removing process. And as you can see right now, it was removed. And honestly, that looks really good. Now, if I would like to save this, I can just click here in the right upper corner. I can overwrite original, or I can save this as a copy. So I will get the original picture that will be here and also the edited one.